Just a shout out to everybody involved and helping. It's been a very impactful day.
In here.
Hikes at 6:05 and
Careful with some of these front.
So we drove up here to Pasadena YMCA. A lot of people we're trying to make happy.
I want to take a moment again to thank everyone who has helped facilitate today's donations. Everyone's really overwhelmed with the support from San Diego. We got to meet people who have been severely impacted by the fires, who evacuated, who have lost their houses. Again, thank you very much. Stay blessed.